University isn't all lectures and seminars. Here at the University of Bradford we have everything you need right here on campus. Let me show you around. Richmond Eatery serves hot and cold breakfast and lunch, dine-in or takeaway, including vegetarian and halal options every day. There is great value grab-and-go street food from around the world at Kirby in the atrium, just next door to Starbucks. We have 2 shops on campus so you can easily pick up all your essentials, including stationery, uni apparel and even restock your freezer. On the bottom floor of Student Central you can find our diner, with milkshakes and tasty treats. A great place to unwind during the day and play some retro games in the arcade. We also have 3 bars where you can relax with friends over a pizza, watch live matches and join in with our weekly social activities in the sports bar. Next door in the AMP we host our headline events featuring DJs and live acts throughout the year. The Escape Lounge is the perfect venue for hosting your own event and is available to hire with catering, alcohol-free and entertainment options. Our on-campus sports facility, Unique Fitness, is more than just a great gym. It's a community, home to the only swimming pool in Bradford city centre. It has a dedicated spin room and climbing wall, as well as sports courts, pitches and training facilities for our members and UBU sports teams. And our student membership is super flexible. 5 minutes walk from main campus is our very own Ofsted outstanding nursery, providing high-quality early education for children aged from birth to 5 years, nurturing every child's imagination through in-the-moment learning with a focus on nature and making the most of our outdoor spaces. On campus there are so many sports clubs and societies to join, including dance, archery, gaming and water polo. For more information about what's available on campus at the University of Bradford, visit www.bradford.ac.uk/studentlife/campus.